My name is Aleksić. I'm a visual artist from Montenegro. Currently I live and work between Belgrade, Serbia and Podgorica, Montenegro. I work in various media techniques. However, my education was in painting, a rather traditional education in painting. So it's kind of, in my work I touch some painting problems, but I don't paint. I think it's a great initiative, and I'm actually surprised that there are no more initiatives like this, similar, like with the same goal to make bigger connections with the Mediterranean artists. And I also think it's really good that this residency happened in such a place that is so quintessentially Mediterranean. I think it's also really interesting. I am working on one digital work, which I will later print. When I do works like this, I usually start off with a photo and then I edit it in various programs to achieve some kind of result. I don't know how to say. This one is a bit different. As in my work, I actually examine space, surrounding space. It's usually urban space, urban landscapes. But this is more based on a space that I'm surrounded by here, so it's natural landscape. I guess the final result won't be so... it won't be obviously different than the other digital images, digital works I did, but however for me and for my process it's kind of different, and it's really interesting to work with natural textures, natural organic forms, colors, etc. I think it's great. At least for me it's kind of precious, since I work in the city and I live in the city. I did all my life, so I don't really have the chance to isolate myself completely from the society like this. And also it's also special because it is an artist residency, a lot of people with a lot of different sensibilities, different themes. Really interesting to talk and to see how everybody thinks about what are they going to do, what are they seeing around each other, what food they eat. I mean, it's really intense and interesting experience, and I think it's important. I think it will influence each of our works for sure. Well, as I already said, I think it's really important. And the residence itself, I think it's interesting and important, and it's probably creates much more connections rather than just coming on the opening night for the exhibition. Like this, we kind of shared a bit of life together, and it's really precious. And the K2 Center, I think it has a good idea behind it because of that, for making stuff like that possible.